thing too, like you really, really, really gotta find your why and like why you're doing something. Because let me tell you, if you don't have the why, my second why is my children. Like I really want to be available for them. Like when you work for corporate, it's like 9 to 5, like you just don't have the time. Even if you work from home, okay, but some work from homes, you're like, it's stationary, like you really can't move. Like, so hey you guys, so I'm at a water inspection reading, and the guy, he's in the basement. Let me show you guys. Yeah, he's down there. Okay, you guys, that was a fast water reading. But that house is about to go on the market, and it has a lot of work to do, you guys, a lot of work. But let me show you what it looks like. Hey, you guys, so I am at a photo shoot for one of the properties my lead agent has, and it's in the South Boston area, not far from South Station. It's so nice outside, so beautiful, you guys. It's kind of better this way, where the sun is. I'm gonna try to see if I can take a video of the property. It's so beautiful, but for now you guys can see the roof deck, which is where I'm hanging out because the photographer can't really take me in any pictures, obviously. So thank God it's nice out, so I can hang out here, do some stuff. But let me show you guys what the roof deck looks like. It's so nice. Guys, can you guys imagine having this roof deck? You see like all of Boston, the big towers. So beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Let's see. I think that's South Station right there, I believe. But isn't this beautiful? You can garden up here. So nice. And you have this all to yourself. Oh, look at China. You guys can see Chinatown from here. Good. Get you guys a better angle. Let's see. Yeah. But hey guys. So I put the sign on the door. I'm going back to freshen up my face because the rain pretty much messed up what I look like. But let me just put you guys right here. Or you know what? Put you guys right here. Freshen up my hair. I'm not gonna take it out of the ponytail because I don't want like hair all over the people's place, you know. I'm just gonna brush it down. Brush it down, y'all. Brush it, brush it, brush it down. Voila. And your sister looks presentable. Okay. You guys, like, this is why most of the time, like, my husband, he does bring me to, like, tours, especially if they're, like, late, or he'll drop me, like, at most of the open houses, because sometimes, like me, it's not like I know the client. I'm just assigned to go and assist and host. You see what I mean? So, like, for example, today I'm by myself. I don't have, like, another AA or the listing agent. So pretty much you're kind of nervous. Things are sometimes, like, this is not a sketchy area. I'm in, like, Cambridge, which there's danger everywhere, okay? But still, I'm telling you, still, like, you just gotta you know, have eyes in your back and just be prepared for anything. But I still love what I do. So I'm going to show you guys what, it's so small. So small. And hold on, I need to figure out the price of this. Hold on. All right, so this place is going for $419, okay? So I'm going to give you guys, like, a tour of, you know, what it looks like for $419 in Boston, Massachusetts. So as you guys can see, that's the entrance. And then you come to this, like, amazing bookshelf. I think this is so cool. And doesn't that look like Mickey? All right, and you have a little table. Seems like they work from home. It's the bed, and that's the closet over there. Some posters, a little couch. It's literally like a studio. Okay, then we have a fridge. They have a laundry in the unit. I'm guessing this is maybe a washer. Yeah, it's a washer. Okay. This is the mini kitchen, you guys. I got my bag on the stove, and that's the stove. This is the bathroom, which I should put the light on. It's a bathroom. I'm kind of annoyed a little, but
right, yeah.
If you took out the bookshelf.
Yes. That was kind of my thought.
Yeah, to have more space, more of an open space.
Yeah.
But no.
Okay.
But please take a brochure.
Yes.
It has Dan's number on it. He's busy with another open house.
Oh, is it the one down the street?
No,
Oh, okay.
I'm not even sure, but
okay.
I'm holding the fort for here.
Okay.
For today, but you can definitely text him.
Yeah.
Or your agent to find out how soon.
Okay.
Especially, your May is your deadline.
Right,
You wanna,
Yeah. Sorry, can I just like check the window?
Yeah, you can check. Yes, please.
I just kind of want to see how much light gets.
Lighting, yes. Oh, I know. Want the natural light.
Yeah. Okay. I think I get the idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. No, this is great. I think it's really nice. Well kept. So I'm.
Yeah. No, they did a very good job maintaining it.
Yeah, they really did.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, no
So
problem.
much.
Yes.
I will text.
Sorry, Luca. Okay, so this is my fit, you guys. I have my top, black top, and skirt. Push it closer. Oh yeah, much better, much better. I'm getting a hang of this. So yeah, top, my skirt, high-waisted skirt, and it's the print. And my flats, you guys. But that is what I am wearing to the revival tonight. And now I am going to wash some bottles because I'm going with baby girl tonight and she needs bottles. I at least need 3 bottles of food. So so I'm not, when I'm juggling, you know? Okay, all right, guys.
Children with sickness. God is my trap. Your wife with that sickness. God is my trap. That mother, mommy that's going through something. God is my trap. Tell somebody, God is my trap.
God is my trap.
Your enemy will be in captivity and you will enjoy your liberty. I'm going to say that again. If ever there was something for you to post, is this right here.
Yes.
Your enemy will be in captivity and you will enjoy your liberty.
Hallelujah. Yes, Lord.
Let me show you something.
Hey, you guys. So I am at a new construction for this tour, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm starting on the deck, you guys. Made with glass. Look how beautiful that is. And look at that view. This is a town called Revere. Revere, Massachusetts. So you're close by the Revere Beach, you guys. I'm going in. Look at that chandelier. That's so beautiful. I'm gonna go downstairs. Wow. Mario, this is nice.
I know, huh? This is one of a kind.
Wow. Is the other one same way, same layout? That one?
No, it's not changed.
No. Oh no.
I think the balcony 1.2 next door like
Really? Wow.
And they didn't even have a roof there.
They don't have a. Oh, okay.
See the ceiling?
Yeah.
Even higher.
Those are very nice cities.
That view is
Makes
just
sense.
everything.
Yeah, right.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we've done the beach.
You guys, wait till you guys see upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, this is the first floor. This is the first room. Okay. This is the first bathroom. So there's a half bathroom upstairs where the kitchen is. Okay, this is a second room. A third room. I wonder if, okay, back here is just, what's here? Probably hook up for, yep. Probably put your laundry, hook up here, washer and dryer. Okay, and this is the backyard, you guys. But it's just, and this is the main entrance. There's a lot of stairs. All right, you guys, but I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. And again, I appreciate you guys for showing up, for showing support. Please like, please subscribe, please share, you guys, and please come back and join the fam. Join the Joelle Your Agent fam if you haven't, okay? But this is my life. This is what I'm working hard for. I just love it. You gotta love what you do. But bye, you guys.